I get asked all the time, can I watch YouTube on my car screen? Can I play a Netflix video on my car from my phone? And typically my answer is no, but the guys at GetPairr have sent me a solution, the GetPairr Cast. This is going to allow us to mirror our phone right on our car screen, so we don't have to worry about being on our phone when we're driving. We don't have to worry about having anything plugged in. We can tuck our phone away and have the same functionality that we would with our phone right on the screen. We're gonna unbox this and see how it works. Let's get to it. So we're gonna open this all up here. It does come in a nice box with an owner's manual, but I'm gonna show you how to set everything up so you don't even need that. And we are doing this for the first time, so this is a true experience of what you will go through when you purchase this. But basically, you can ditch the phone cord now because you don't need to worry about plugging in. And the advantage of this, if there's apps that aren't compatible with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay you want to use, you can use it. And before we get to the end of the video, guys, I'm going to put the link in the description below so you can get to the GetPairr website and purchase this product for yourself. They've given all the people who watch this video an exclusive discount. carsunlocked10 is the code you would type in at checkout, and you can get 10% off. It's also on sale on their website now, so make sure you check it off. But let's get started and see how this syncs up. So it does come with the device that plugs into your phone here, and you have one device that plugs into the USB of your car. So we're gonna plug both this in. And here, if you guys can see that there, it's already asking to cast to the screen. So I'm gonna hit cast. And now it's asking if I wanna use the third-party apps. So I'm gonna hit continue. And it's going to connect. Oh, quick and painless. Now I can choose if I wanna do CarPlay or mirror. So for today's video, I want to do mirror. I want to see how this mirroring works. Oh, wow, there's my phone right on the screen. That is incredible. Look at that. There's your boy right up there on the screen. Woo! We can see the channel, and it's really just going through. Look, and I'm going through my channel right on my phone. While you guys are here, hit subscribe to the YouTube channel, but let's jump in and play a YouTube video. Now I've rotated my screen, and it's coming right out of the speakers. So that was pretty much an easy setup here. We can change videos on the screen. We can do whatever we want here. Netflix, if we want to do Netflix. We can play mobile games. Here's the Netflix. Look at that, guys. So quick and easy to play right on the car screen. And it's all in full 1080p. So I can essentially now, if I put this episode on, I can put this phone away. I can watch it while I'm driving. Obviously, I want to focus on the road. My family can watch it while I'm driving. Very, very neat. Let's try a mobile game just for fun here. Look at that. You can also play mobile games. So if someone wants to project their screen right onto the car, we can play a mobile game. So if I want to watch someone play, they can play on their phone and it will get displayed and mirrored on the car screen. So I can do things like go through text messages. I can text people right from my phone here. If I want to send people a text, I can send them a text, and it all pops up right on the car screen. So very easy to use, very easy to connect. That was probably the fastest connection that we've had from these GetPairr devices. We also just displayed last week the GetPairr AI box, which basically allows you to put a full Android operating system on your screen. So that allows you not to have to access your phone while you're driving. You guys can check that out. I'll link that in the description below. So thanks for watching. Was there something I missed in my video? Do you want to get this GetPairr Cast? Well, right now there's an over $200 discount on their website. You can also use my code carsunlocked10 for an additional 10% off. I will link it in the description below. Guys, make sure you check it out. Let me know what you think of this product. Has it helped you on those long road trips? And we will see you in the next one. Thanks again for the folks at GetPairr for letting us try this out.